How to downgrade to your older NVIDIA graphics driver. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to downgrade to your older version of graphic driver, so what you need to do is first simply head over to search bar and just search in for device manager, and once you search in for that, simply open it and just locate your display adapters. And in my case, I'm not using NVIDIA graphic card, instead I'm using AMD. So in your case, if it's NVIDIA graphic card, simply select it and just click on right on it and just head over to its properties. And once you're inside the properties, just select driver, and here you should see the option called rollback driver. So all you have to do is just click on this button. So if it's also disabled for you, like it's showing me gray for me, so what you can do in that case is just come back and simply select right click on it once again and simply click on this action and just click on this scan for hardware changes, and it will show you the latest updates you should be doing. But if it's still not showing, then what you can finally do is just come over to your graphic card properties and simply hit on the driver, and make sure you know this, you take note of this date, and just head over to any of your browser and just search in for the versions which were below this over here. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.